So, Suzanne, what are we doing here? We're starting out with layer cakes?
We're gonna start with layer cakes.
Okay.
And the first thing you need to do is you need to take 20 layer cake 10-inch squares.
Okay.
That will be your front, and 20 will be your back. So you will use, if there's only 40 in it, you'll use the whole thing.
Okay.
If there's 42, you'll have a couple left over.
Okay, so did everyone, did that sound an alarm to you? Because you are doing your backing as
At the
squares
same time.
too.
Yep, you are.
It's not a full backing, so it's almost
Correct.
reversible.
Honestly, when I was doing this, I kept thinking, wait, what am I using for the back? Wait, oh no, I've already made my back.
Exactly, I love it. Okay, all right, tell us how we do it.
Okay, so I went and put mine, all the blue on the front, all the pink on the back. And the first thing, and you've got to cut your batting, and it tells you in here what you need.
Okay.
You'll need 10-inch squares of batting as well. You're going to take these with your, there we go, 505 spray.
Yep.
Stick these together. It's perfect for this. Now, this one I didn't use this on both sides, and so it's a little bit wonky on one of them. So that was a mistake on my part.
Okay, so
But
you're telling us we should do it on both sides.
Definitely do it
Okay.
on both sides.
Okay.
Put it on the batting on both sides.
Okay.
Okay. So the second thing you're going to do is you're going to take this to your machine, and you are going to, I just eyeballed it, and you're going to choose any, you can do just straight lines, you can do zigzag, whatever works for you.
Yeah.
I just chose the serpentine because this machine has it, my machine has it, and we're going to quilt. I didn't mind about a half an inch apart,
Okay.
an inch apart, and then don't worry too much, like if
So
it's not
basically, we're
perfect.
just getting it quilted.
You're going to quilt it.
We've got a piece of batting, and a piece of
Yeah.
fabric on both sides.
Right. So
Okay.
this is like a little mini quilt for you.
Yeah, there you go.
So I'm going to give this to Ferda. She's going to sew our last serpentine on over here.
Okay, so it's all quilted.
Right, and you've done this for all 20 of the squares. So
Okay.
because there's going to be 4 across, 5 down.
Okay.
Then you're going to take it and square it. I could on one of mine I could square it to 9 3/4. This one I've squared to 9 1/2, and this is a perfect 9 1/2 ruler. And I'm just going to square this up right now because you can see that the quilting shrinks it up some.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and do this.
And I love that you're using a already perfect ruler.
Yes, I know. I
Because,
love 9 1/2.
Like, how many times do you try and get that weird
true.
Yep.
measurement?
And I'll tell
on a
you
ruler?
what, I will buy any ruler if it's going to be the right size. It's almost like a template for me. I really will.
Yeah.
It's like, because then it's so much less work.
Whatever you do, just make sure it's the same size through
Yeah,
all
right.
of them, right?
Right. So here's where the fun begins.
Okay. I want to point out real quick, this is what we're referring to as the sashing
Correct.
in between those blocks.
And it's on both sides.
And it's on both sides. So you're going to sew
Yes.
with it on both sides.
Okay, right there. All right.
Yeah. All right.
So
you're
we
gonna-
need to
This is
add
the
this
part
to
that
this
blows
one.
my mind.
Yes. Now this part is awesome. This is the part I love.
Okay.
So we're going to have you switch that to 1/4 inch.
Okay.
And I'm going to take both of these. This is the top sashing, which is going to go on the front. This is the back
What's special
sashing.
about the top sashing?
Well, it's folded in half. I'm glad you asked that,
Okay.
Ferd. It's 2 inches wide, it's folded in half, and it is going to finish up your quilt with no raw edge or anything right there.
Okay.
The back is going to go on, so you'll have like, what is that at? To about a 1/2 inch, a little over 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
And then the back is just a 1 inch strip, and it's going to go on facing the pink right here,
Okay, so it's right sides together.
right sides together, and you're going to pin that on, and then we're going to put this one on top. Now, if you're brave, you don't have to pin it.
Okay, let me
I
just make
feel
sure that we're all on
not
the
brave
same
enough.
page here.
Yeah.
So this is a single layer, right
There you
side
go.
up.
Give me a clip.
We place this down. This is folded with the fold going towards the
Yes.
center and raw edges
And
aligned.
raw
Raw
edges.
edge aligned.
Okay, all right.
Perfect.
Okay.
There you go. So she's going to sew a 1/4 inch seam right there. So one of the things I learned when I was putting this together was it helps to actually take this to the ironing board and press these all over. It will help you a lot. This one don't worry about so much because this top one that's folded, we are not going to sew that down quite yet.
Okay.
But what we have to do next is we're going to take this one right here and we're going to put these together like this. Can you see that all right?
Yeah, because you're putting the right side together with the right side. That makes
Exactly.
sense.
Stitch right down there 1/4 inch.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, look
All
where we're
right.
at. Okay, let's
at
show you
that.
the front.
Or
Is that
this
right?
is the back.
Or the back, I mean, I'm sorry.
Okay.
You can see that one's perfect right there. So she's got a beautiful little seam right there, or sashing.
That back looks perfect.
It's really good.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, now
So
the
now
front,
we're going
what
to
do we
switch
have
it
to do?
over. This is the part that gets a little bit tricky. This is something I did learn too.
Okay.
When you're sewing these together. But what you're going to do, make sure in your bobbin, you have a bobbin that matches or blends to your back.
Okay.
Because your stitching is going to show.
Are we doing
Right
it? So we are doing it to not to the sashing, but blends in with this background
Blend
fabric.
in with
Okay.
this. So on the front, have it blend with your sashing. But we've chosen a white over here, so
Okay.
it'll
Front
blend
in with sashing. Back blend in with the back.
Correct. The
Okay.
bobbin blends with the
and
back.
this is all written in the instructions.
Yes.
Okay. I would put a little glue stick.
Look what I got.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. I think this would be really
It'd be very simple.
the right time to do it.
Yeah, and so you
And
just
you're
tap
just
that
doing
down.
a little bit of, just a little bit.
Don't need much.
Right?
Yep. When you sew that down, Fern, stitch like as close as you can to the very edge. That's all you've got to do to get this row together.
How simple.
So how do you do the horizontal sashing?
Sure.
You'll do exactly the same thing that you did before. You're going to put your raw edge right there, the folded edge away, if you can
so
see
the
that.
folded is going towards the middle. Okay.
And then this is going to be right sides together on the bottom. This one I absolutely pinned because it's a long way to go.
Yeah.
It's like 40 inches.
That's
so.
a good idea.
So one of the things that I learned when I was working on this, when I'm putting these two together, like this one and this one, if you don't, you should line up this line with this line right here. Because these don't pull over exactly the same every time. If you see what I'm saying, this one's a little wider.
So
but if
you're
I
seeing
line that
where
and
the
that,
fold is.
yes, line where the fold
Okay.
is, so that your sashing is better. This one's not too good, but you know, we're not going to worry about it. When you wash it, it'll be
No,
okay.
Exactly.
You'll stitch. This goes to there.
Again, it's right sides together.
Correct.
Just think about
if
that.
you can see that right there, right sides together. And what I was talking about is that you'll want to make sure that this edge right here lines up with this one right there when you're putting that together. It's pretty easy to see. You can actually kind of feel it. So
Yeah, you really
I've
can.
pinched it together right there. So when we're putting that together, there you go. It'll be just like that. We'll stitch all the way across, and then you'll have that whole other row on, ready to go.
Wow.
So, all right?
That is
so cool.
So
So fun.
great.